5-minute MACD to kind of do its thing too. Starting to get towards the end of the day, so we need to be careful. Fill my order, fill my order, fill my order. There we go, look at that rip. Nice, nice, nice. It is a descending resistance there. So I get why it would want to sell off. I just want to see if it can make its way back up. See how it opens so high there? There's buyers in this area. If it breaks the ascending support, then that's when I'll sell. If it doesn't break that though, then I'm sticking in. Come on, don't break it. If it breaks it, it's gonna be sad. Because I want to stay in, but oh gosh. And it broke it. I'm setting my order. And sold. Watch it pull right back up. Whew, I sold. It could totally double bottom here at 301.53. I'm gonna end up pushing back up to further upsides, but I wanted to sell for the safety of it, and I still have 1,000 I can invest. So who's to say I'm not jumping back into it? But I cut $1,260 again.